I am shocked by this viral recipe. It's spicy, creamy at the same time, makes up for a perfect weekend dish. Today we are making Iffa Chicken, a recipe I went into without expectation, but it completely surprised me. Hi, welcome to my channel Sanjana Tries. You might have already know me from Instagram, but here I take a one beat slower and share recipes in detail, so don't forget to subscribe. Recently I've seen a lot of Dubai trends all over my feed, things like kunafa inspired dishes, rich gravies, and that's where today's recipe comes from. I'm doing this video in the long form after a very long time because I wanted this recipe to feel unhurried and relaxed. So I'll talk you through this recipe, cook together properly, and let's make this. We start by marinating the chicken. I'm using the whole tangdi, which means the leg and the thigh both. The drumstick and the thigh are attached together. I'm drawing slits over it so that the marinade goes inside deep. Now for the marination, I've taken dahi, chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and turmeric. Then I mixed it together with salt, ginger garlic paste and lemon juice. You can either add the chicken to the marination or pour the marination over the chicken. Just make sure to apply it really well all over so you get all the corners. I'm frying this in my favorite tri-ply Artisan Hybrid Frypan from Stahl because when you're experimenting, you need cookware that does the heavy lifting, even heat, minimum oil and stress-free cooking every single time. Now let's get this heated with some oil. I'm using usual sunflower oil. Once it's hot, get the chicken in. I love that this pan holds 3 whole tangdis together at one time. I'm popping the lid on and letting it cook while I make the white sauce which will go over it. For the white sauce, we need some boiled egg whites, cheese, garlic, cream and milk. I'm also further seasoning it with salt and pepper. I genuinely did not expect this sauce to be so nice and creamy. The flavor is something else. Now cutting back to the chicken, it took me approx a bit more than 12 minutes on each side on medium heat. And once it was cooked through, it was time to add the white sauce on top. I put the lid on again for the last time and let it cook for more 3 minutes. In the end, I garnished it with some coriander leaves and chili oil. And just like that, our Iffa chicken is ready, all thanks to my Stahl tri-ply fry pan. Rich, comforting and full of those beautiful Dubai-inspired flavors. Perfect for when you're hosting or want something special at home.